This is the most powerful compact gaming PC we've ever built. RTX 5080, Ryzen 9800X 3D, 8 terabytes of Gen 4 SSD, and it all fits inside of a backpack. So let me show you how we built it and why this is one of the best Mini ITX desktops out there. We're starting strong with the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D. It's 8 cores, stacked 3D V-cache, and monstrous gaming performance that rivals top-tier chips and much larger builds. For the GPU, we're going with the RTX 5080. With next-gen ray tracing, DLSS 4, and power that nearly rivals the RTX 5090, but it's any size that actually fits inside our compact build. The foundation is the Gigabyte X870i AORS Pro motherboard, a next-gen AM5 Mini ITX board packed with PCIe 5, Wi-Fi 7, and future-ready features. Up next, we got 96 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM with two 48 gig sticks at 5600 megahertz. This is plenty for multitasking, streaming, or creative work. And for storage, an enormous 8 terabyte Western Digital Black SN850X. It's a Gen 4 NVMe SSD. It's fast, and you won't run out of space anytime soon. Cooling is handled by the Thermalright AXP90, a low-profile air cooler that tames the 9800X 3D even under pressure. Finally, the power comes from an 850 watt 80 plus gold power supply from FSP. It's quiet, efficient, and is a perfect fit for the RTX 5080's demands. All of this is going to live inside of our custom LAN Gamer Mini chassis. These cases are awesome because they come in a black or white, so you can pick whichever color you prefer. Now let's actually build this puppy. The build itself was smooth. Each piece clicked perfectly into position. Cable management took patience, but the result is clean airflow and zero wasted space. And yes, it booted on first try, always a good day when that happens. Here is where this unit really shines. It's, of course, the portability. This whole setup fits in a backpack. The LAN Gamer Mini PC, a portable 15-inch monitor, a mechanical keyboard, and a compact wireless mouse. All right, let's test out some games and see what kind of frames we're getting. All right, so right now, right off the bat, we're getting around 230 FPS with our 1% lows around 200. So that's honestly really good, considering that we're on ultra setting, and our GPU temperature is at 68 degrees Celsius, so that's fine. And as you can see, the game looks beautiful. It's running nice and smooth, having no issues. So Cyberpunk was a success. Now let's check out what we can do at Call of Duty. All right, we're now on Black Ops 6 in multiplayer mode. Let's go see what we can get frame-wise. For my graphics settings, we're set on ultra. So it looks like we're running at a solid, I would say around 240. Our 1% loans are around 180, 170. You can definitely play at a competitive level. Let's see if I can get a kill at least, so I don't look like a bot. Wow. And finally, we're on Valorant. Let's see what kind of FPS we can get. All right, so right off the bat, it looks like we're getting over 1,000 FPS, which is absolutely nuts. This is on max settings. I am using OBS to record this, so there's also that factor as well. 1% lows over 500. You're definitely not losing any type of frames or anything of that sort. Temps stayed impressively low considering the compact layout. They stayed under 80 degrees Celsius during heavy load and idled around the mid-70s. The Thermalright AXP90 is surprisingly quiet. Even under load, the system stays under 23 decibels, which is whisper level for a performance rig like this. This is the cleanest, most portable powerhouse we've ever built. It's compact, powerful, and future ready. You can get yourself a fully custom one only at empoweredpc.com. Drop a comment if you tweak anything, like if you enjoyed the build, and subscribe for more insane compact rigs.